explain myself. You said you cared for me, said you be there for me.
Deze, Diane, geil in hard tasty. Ich komme kein Level, ich lasse geil. Come on, so, yeah, I'm here. You know why I'm here. Kom de weg, loud, feel tired out here. Ik zeg thema en dine. Gra arte, kloster aan het varen. En gym zijn spades. I'm with in the gari, is ik hoor fatty beter. Tan alleen de vader, but the people are patient. Oi, bring willen in de eggen, Louis Heine. Ben got rood, ik ga niet swift. Nou, dead here, voor fuck, honey, my god. Passion, different loud, ja, me nog eens lach. In is dom, kara ekken toe, nara ekken toe een mag. In is dom, kara ekken toe, nara ekken toe een mag. Hey, lana ragen shinna. Niet daar veel last up. Kloggene is lachende, maar ik ga branden. Yeah, I got work, why? Yeah, I got work. Ordin, she the queen, Zadie. Yeah, I lift it, oh. Yeah, they lift it up. Solo dust in shit, Jan work. She cut the Harley, Aaron Nilon. Tom Heinz, we ripped on Nilon. The dance out come Martino Diron. Landen Mohukan. Tiny is down affected. Or I'm macher and varga. Cluster from my form, the farga. Man, this place is beautiful. So little, yeah, they got it all. Is doke garbage shin, sail, neutral. Laurina, Filipina art. Hoe ga je grielan? Le gra. Genau das staan uit, lan, la al. Branden gaan me goeie uit gewacht lacht. Nilan gaan maar goeien kan, sassa glacha. Maar de laatste moe kan een oors uit. Zonnes is zoiets, is lego willen naar zo daar zij. In is dom, kara ekken toe, nara ekken toe een mag. In is dom, kara ekken toe, nara ekken toe een mag. Moon in the Gweilingen, been working round the clock. Already know why, God don't need to go to shops. Can't believe it came full circle, hey, now they give me props. You cooking up that beef, bro, I'm seasoning me chops. Do you need the celebration? Hey, you look a little shocked. I was that when I first discovered 7. Had to get the head right, had to do me lessons. I ain't no trick, now we back to messing. Now baby got me stressing. That ain't even a question. Like what you see, that's the first of the trilogy. Courage to restate a banger on the repeat.
For me,